Dear friends, today we are going to see the appreciation of the poem Basket Full of Moonlight. You know that in our activity sheet, question 3b is poem for appreciation, and this question is for 5 marks. In this question, we have to write an appreciation of the given poem with the help of the given points. The points are title, name of the poet, rhyme scheme, figure of speech, and theme or central idea. Now we will see the appreciation of the poem Basket Full of Moonlight. The first point title is Basket Full of Moonlight. Second point is name of the poet. The name of the poet of this poem is Sunil Sharma. Third point is rhyme scheme. About the rhyme scheme, we can say there is no rhyme scheme. It is in free verse. Fourth point is figure of speech. In this poem, we will find the figure of speech like repetition, alliteration, and apostrophe. You will find the repetition in the line, I want to show many small moons of light, because in this line, the word small has been repeated. You will find the alliteration in the line, I want to sow seeds of moon on the sides of the path. In this line, the sound yes has been repeated in words like sow, seeds, and sides. You will also find the apostrophe in the line, O moon, give me moonlight, because here the poet addresses the moon directly. Fifth point is theme or central idea. You are expected to write the central idea in about 2 to 3 lines. The theme of the poem is the loneliness of a child in a remote village which faces the lack of modern facilities. He wants to sow seeds of moon on the sides of the path from the city to his village, so that his father would return early and he would listen stories from him. The idea of a child to find a solution for the problems of villagers seems to be very innocent. Thank you for watching this video.